Gnasher! All right, you can stay. But just for a bit, got it?
To admit it, JJ, she is kind of fun when she's being nice.
Yeah, maybe. I guess hanging around with Walter would turn anyone into a cranky hairball.
Hey, where's Gnasher? Gnasher! Gnasher, what are you doing up there? Whoa! Glad you're okay, boy. I guess it has been ages since brekkie. We'll get a bit more fixing done, then we'll fix that empty belly of yours.
Want some fuss, do you? OK, but don't distract me. The drone control interface on my tablet's gone a bit glitchy.
P-Blam attack! Take cover!
I might have an idea.
Gnasher, don't worry. We'll get you down.
Wow, look at him go. I never knew Walter and his lot could move so fast.
All we were trying to do was put a speed camera up in the skate park. It's a perfectly legitimate way for my father to rip you all off there. I mean, raise much-needed funds for the town.
Good boy. Here you go. Butcher's finest. Specially formulated for Gnasher. They give him all the energy an active Abyssinian wirehead tripound needs.
Interesting.
There you are. Getting tired, huh? I guess you need more energy sausages. Butcher's shop's right round the corner. We'll stock up.
Whoa! Check out the queue.
If you're looking for Butcher, you're out of luck. Father owns this whole row of shops, and I had Butch kicked out. Welcome to Walter's World of Sausages.
30% fat, 30% gristle, 30% sawdust, 20%... You don't want to know. Even the maths is bad.
But they're heavily discounted. Everyone loves a bargain. Your precious Butcher won't be back. Not while Beano Town is going gaga for these.
Gnasher, are you going to take this lying down? Oh, right, you are.
I'll give him a head start if you like.
The energy loss from the lack of formulated meat-based products has induced excessive lethargy.
Dog tired, needs special sausages.
A classic case of sausage lossage.
Here you go.
Who says it has to be sausages? How about a cucumber pick-me-up? It's just like a refreshing, crunchy, watery green sausage.
There's only one energy-giving treat that'll work. We need to find Butch. He'll be able to knock some up just for Gnasher.
Oh, my plan's going perfectly. With Dennis's hound too tired to chase us off, we'll get that skate park speed camera up in no time.
But Butch, you've got to come back. Gnasher needs you.
Sorry, little guys. I don't butcher no more. Not since I got the chop. Ain't that right, Gnasher?
I don't know. They all look like potatoes.
It's an amazing run by Jemima Jones. Beano Town's star striker. Defenders can't even get close. She's going all the way. She shoots. She scores. It's JJ for the win and the crowd goes wild. Woohoo!
Paul says you've lost sight of why we're here, and can you please apologise to that potato too?
Oh, yeah. Sorry, Mr. Potato.
Awkward. She's clearly a girl.
We need a way of identifying the exact potato from the poster. Can you ask Paul what makes her different?
Oh. He says, what makes each snowflake unique? What makes every single leaf an individual miracle of nature? Don't mind him. Paul gets dead poetic when he's stressed. But he's given me an idea. Ruby, can you make that photo into an app thing that recognises her when it sees her?
Ah, facial. No, wait, potato recognition program. Right. But, I can't guarantee it'll work because they're potatoes.
What's the scariest day for a potato?
I don't know. What is the scariest day for a potato?
Friday!
Done. Just point the spot at the camera, and when we find Paul's potato, it'll play an awesome guitar solo. What? I never get solos in the band. Right, let's look at these potatoes that all look like potatoes. Potato, 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 grizzly griller. Wait, what?
Oh, grizzly griller spudder-like. Pretty rare.
Potato.
Wouldn't this go quicker if we used that massive conveyor belt? What's that, boy? Nice one. A shortcut. Gnasher, follow that burger.
Okay, so where is everybody?
Oh, these are very clever kids. Some of their brains are so big they couldn't fit in the van.
Welcome to the Summer Science Adventure School for Superbrains. Project 1. Invent something to do with clouds.
Yes!
Perfect! But how do you do it?
Oh, it's just a bit of multi-wave technology manipulating the molecules of the water vapour. I press a button and it moves the cloud.
Project 1 complete. Project 2 control full-size clouds in the sky.
But surely if that technology fell into the wrong hands, it could lead to environmental disaster.
Oh, don't worry about that. It's just a test to find out if we would be clever enough to control real clouds. Bertie, tell Ruby the school motto.
What happens in top secret science camp stays in... how does the last bit go?
Bertie. Right, let's get to work. Just think how proud your father will be.
OK, I'll need a dysbigliotic magnifier clamp and a horseshoe arc beam modulator.
Well, go and get them then. Don't forget the bisbigliotic clamp.
They've taken her to Wilbercorp.
Yeah, Paul, this is groovy.
JJ,
Dennis, where are you? What's happening?
Ruby needs our help. Her so-called school is actually Wilbercorp. You better get here quick.
We're on our way!
Cups of tea for the geniuses.
Project 2 phase 1 complete. Oops. Pay no attention to the robot.
A Wilbercorp henchbot. So Dennis was right.
Oh, the power I shall wield, thanks to you and your many, many cloudy cousins. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh.
Did you really just say, oh, at a massive killer dinosaur?
Look how it's looking at Gnasher. There's a proper special bond there.
Pieface, that's the biggest load of genius you've ever said. It doesn't want to eat Gnasher. It's put him in that empty nest where its egg should be.
What? So it's taken my dog to replace an egg that it's somehow lost?
Stands to reason you lose things you wouldn't usually lose when you're in a lost world.
That doesn't stand to any reason. Now we need to be very respectful of the nest and not do anything daft. Wait, where's Dennis?
Sorry, Ruby. What were you saying about not doing anything daft?
Who knows what we should do?
I admit, you were right about the lost world, but don't push it, Pieface. I am not trusting a potato to stop us being eaten by a dinosaur.
He says we should go this way.
I take it all back. Respect to the Spudnav.
How do we save Gnasher from that thing?
G-Rexes were ferociously devoted parents, so it won't give Gnasher up till it gets its egg back.
So we've got to find the egg. But how?
Well, when something gets lost in a lost world, it gets double lost. We all know that. So we need to get double lost too, obviously.
Interesting use of obviously.
No, hear him out. Seems like actual logic doesn't work today, so logically, Pieface logic might.
It's pretty simple, really. The lost G-Rex has lost its egg, meaning the egg is double lost, and two losts make an unlost.
I'm getting a headache.
So to get to wherever the unlost egg has ended up, we just have to get unlost too. We just close our eyes, spin around, and walk off until we know where we are again.
Don't worry, Gnasher. We'll find that dino egg and come straight back to save you.
Here we are. Home sweet home.
Pieface, I shall never doubt you again. Today.
But even if we find the egg, how do we get back to the lost world to swap it for Gnasher?
We won't have to. Look, the G-Rex has got itself double lost too. It must have taken a wrong turn looking for its egg.
What happened? It sniffed the air and ran off.
Yeah, right towards Beano Town. We've got to warn people. Come on.